So today I have some Thomas Legos. So, it's really bigger. We can't hide. So this time that's my favorite. So it's the 9. And let's open this up and we need to check the side, bottom. And then let's open it and see what's inside.
Why don't you pick up the box so they can see the box first? No, the front of the box.
The front of the box?
Show them the front of the box. The picture's in the front of the box.
Okay, this one?
Yep. Pick it up though so they can see it.
Okay. So we have the collection. We can put that together. And then let's just open it and see what's inside. We have the orange one piece. And then I have the green piece. See, like goes stacked. See? That's really cool. Then it's really kind. Because excuse me.
Show them the rest of the pieces, baby.
I know, Mom. I'm resting. But it's just kind. And then I have the girl, like Kobe and Cyrus is from the Lego. And Kobe and Cyrus don't have Dexter's kitties, like Patch. And then let's put him right here and see what's inside again. Oh, there's a big pieces. Then I have red, yellow. So let's put it there. Like that. So then I have the blue pieces from Thomas Legos. And then there's the train set, the #1 blue tank engine. Mama,
Yeah?
I don't have a butterfly.
No, it's alright. Stop sticking your nose. Keep pulling the stuff out.
And then that's the #1 blue tank engine. So that's the train with the blue Thomas. Thomas is the #1, so it's kind. That's the #1 blue tank engine. And then, oh, who was that?
It's just Buddy.
Buddy?
Yeah.
That was my buddy.
Your
That
birdie.
Birdie?
Who's your birdie? Keep doing your unboxing, baby. You're doing good.
But I have the green part, like the orange one, so they can sit like the ho, like the tree from the ho, from the Christmas, so it's really kind. Oop! Sorry. Sorry, I'll just pick up the green one. And that's the boy. But Kobe and Cyrus just have to go
show him the boy one?
So that boy one got a shirt with his car with a blue shirt, and he had pants in his butt.
Okay, you're pulling out the toys. You gotta pull the rest of the stuff out.
I know, Mom. I'm getting Dexter out. No, that's not Dexter. But that's the blue piece with his butt. So it's not butt, but the butt is gone for her and his. So let's put it right there, like ho ho ho. See, that like this. So, you like it? Yeah. So, this time, we need from hey guys, welcome my channel. But we need to do and we scored it, and it's the number 4 to get Dexter out. So, let's see what we have. Dexter's gone, so. Oh, there's. Oop! He fell down in the girlfriend. Let's see this thing. He's falling down.
Go ahead, baby. Keep opening. You don't have much video left.
Oh, sorry, Mom.
It's all right.
Let me go get my money.
Go get your money. You're in the middle of doing a video.
Hold on, I'm picking that chair up.
You're doing a video. Honey, you're doing a video. Go finish. Leave it. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
So then, sorry, Mom. I need to check in the video. Okay. And then I have stinky butt. And I have the red bottom with a stinky butt. It's stinky butt.
All right. Come on. Keep pulling the toys out, baby.
I know, Mom. So then we have to click it.
You showed him that already.
Yeah. And we're getting Dexter to pull him out after. So let's move the girl out. And then we have the green bottom with stinky butt. So it's time poop. And the girl falls crying with Kobe and Cyrus. That's Cyrus and Kobe. Okay. Now then, let's just count. We have 9. Let's see. There it is.
You're so cute.
Stop! Wait! Wait! Wait!
Sorry.
I'm doing my video.
Sorry.
So let's get Dexter. That's not Dexter. It's the orange one. Oh. Ooh, yeah. That's Dexter. Mom,
Yeah.
Dexter pulled out in the box.
I know.
Dexter's black. Meow. Meow.
Did you show him the kitty?
Yeah. That's Dexter, the black kitty.
All right. Pull the rest of the stuff out.
And then that's Dexter, so he's black and white. time called. And then we got 9 cells really come on, that's right here. And then we have yellow with tiny kind of Thomas won in the dinosaur. Mom, Thomas won in the dinosaur.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mom.
Okay.
Can't get it.
Dump it out.
No. It's too for me. And then I have the green bottom, so Dexter can get it in. So see, like that. He needs to get him out. So just really time. So then, and then we have blue bottom. Now I need to get this box. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time. Bye.